Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai Dashcam Lite 2. In this video I'll show you how to install and format SD card. Firstly, let's plug the camera to power. And now insert SD card. To insert SD card, take a look at the right side of the camera, and here we've got the graphic how to install SD card. So with the pins facing inside of the camera. Now the SD card is installed. Wait, and now you have to format it. And it's done. If you want to format camera card manually, go to Settings, System Settings, scroll down, or go to Format Memory Card by pressing this button. Confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.